Do you have anything to share with others recently?
I think I do it almost every day. Whenever I have something or something to eat, I share it with people around me.
Did your parents teach you to share when you were a child?
Yes, actually, they always emphasized sharing is always important, so I learned to share things with others.
What kind of things do you like to share with others?
Well, some snacks, stationery, just small things. I don't quite like others using my belongings, but sharing small things is okay with me.
What kind of things are not suitable for sharing?
Something important, I guess, like mobile phones, laptops, and things like that. Anything with personal details shouldn't be shared with others.
It's quite difficult for me to think about a lost item, but there was one when I was attending secondary school. It was like more than 10 years ago. My friends and I went out for a day, and at the end of the day, I realized that I had lost my mobile phone. It was really strange, because I didn't take it out of my bag, so my friends and I assumed I was pickpocket. As I said, I realized my mobile phone was gone at night, so there was nothing I could do. I just tried to forget about it because it was useless to go back to all the places that I visited on that day. Actually, one thing that made me a little better was the fact that my phone wasn't expensive. At that time, the phone was really important to me as it was the only way I could contact my family. As I was attending British secondary school, my mum used to call me every evening, but I couldn't really speak to her for a while until I got another phone. It was really frustrating. Also, I had all my friends' phone numbers on my phone. It was just a disaster because I had to ask my friends' numbers again. Well, after a few days later, I got a new phone, but it was such an annoying experience. What kinds of people may lose things often?
People who aren't well organized, I think. Sometimes they forget about their belongings and leave those behind. Also, I think some elderly people lose their belongings quite frequently because they fail to remember things.
What can we do to prevent losing important things?
It'd be important to check their belongings whenever they have a chance and try to take everything when they leave somewhere. People often leave their belongings by mistake.
What would you do if you saw something valuable but didn't belong to you on the street?
I just hand it over to the police. Whether it's valuable or not, there will be someone looking for the lost item, so I'll just take it to the police station and leave it there.
What kinds of things have you lost so far?
Not many. I lost my wallet and mobile phone once in my life, and that's about it. I don't normally forget about taking my stuff, and I'm really good at remembering things.
What do you usually do to look for lost items?
I just go back to places I visited on the day and ask staff for help. Normally, when people find lost items, they would give it to staff there, so I do that. And of course, I just try to forget about it if I can't find it.